Looking for your dream job? Lightforth's job search platform makes it easier than ever to find, apply, and land the perfect role. In this video, I'll show you how to use the platform step by step, so you can streamline your job search and focus on getting hired. Hi, I'm Troy from Lightforth, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Lightforth job search platform. Whether you're just starting your career or looking for a change, this platform has all the tools you need to search for jobs, apply with ease, and track your progress. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to use it like a pro. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Lightforth account. If you don't have one yet, create an account, verify your email, and complete your profile. A completed profile helps Lightforth provide the best job recommendations tailored to you. Step 2. Navigate to the job search platform on your dashboard. Find and click the job search tab. This will take you to the platform where you can explore a wide range of job opportunities. Step 3. Set your search preferences. To make your search results more relevant, set your job preferences. These include job title, industry, location, and salary range. Once you've entered your preferences, hit Apply Filters to refine your search. Pro tip: save your preferences so you don't have to set them up every time you log in. Step 4. Browse job listings. Lightforth will display a curated list of job openings based on your preferences. Each listing includes key details like job title and company name, location and salary range, application deadline. Click on any job to see the full description and requirements. Step 5. Apply to jobs. Once you've found a job you like, click Apply Now. If your resume is already set up in Lightforth, the application process is instant. Lightforth will send your resume directly to the employer. Pro tip: before applying, make sure your resume is optimized for the job. Use the resume builder to add relevant keywords and customize your application. Step 6. Track your applications. After applying, go to the job application section to track your progress. Here, you'll see jobs you've applied for, application statuses, follow-up reminders if needed. Step 7. Use Auto Apply for faster applications. To save even more time, enable the Auto Apply feature. Lightforth will automatically apply to jobs that match your preferences, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Pro tip: check your Auto Apply settings regularly to ensure they align with your latest career goals. Set up job alerts to receive notifications about new opportunities that match your criteria. Review job descriptions carefully to ensure your qualifications and experience align with the requirements. And that's how you use the Lightforth job search platform to find and apply for your dream job. Start exploring today and take the first step toward landing your next big opportunity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of Lightforth. See you in the next video.